BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Microsoft Excel for the web, which is the online version, that finally we have the ability now to export to CSV files from the web version of Microsoft Excel. Now, as many of you may know, the ability to export CSV files in both Excel for Windows and Excel for Mac has been around for quite some time, and now finally in Excel for the web we can export CSV files. Now, how this will all work is if you head to a spreadsheet, one you've just opened or an existing worksheet, and you head to your file and export, this is where you will see export and download the sheet as CSV. Now you can see I don't have it because it's still on a controlled rollout. But nonetheless, if we head to a image provided from the announcement by Microsoft, here we can see file export, and there we go. Download this sheet as csv.csv, and it says download a copy of the selected sheet to your computer as a CSV file. Now, some of the ability this will give you if you download it as a .csv file. First of all, it'll make a good backup. So you'll be able to store structured data in a simple, what Microsoft says, human readable format that can be easily backed up and retrieved. So you'll be able to import this at a later stage, which makes a good backup. You'll also be able to transfer data between a spreadsheet app and a database management system. And the third kind of scenario where it can bring a bit of functionality is you can exchange simple structured data between different apps that might not be directly compatible. So those are three scenarios to try. And the availability is, Microsoft says this feature is now available to all Excel for the web users. Now, I'm not seeing it as yet, as mentioned, and that announcement was made just a couple of days ago on the 15th, which was late last week. So there's a good chance that I will see it sooner than later, but just bringing it to your attention if you do find yourself using Microsoft Excel for the web, that you can now export to CSV. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.